Okay, today, continuing with our communications robot, thought we'd look at a couple of telephone robots. I think I've got one more somewhere, but I can't for the life of me think where it is out here. But anyway, this is the RoboForce, modeled off of the Max robot. And you got your standard touch-tone phone, and it works. And this robot phone is still mint in box. I opened it up out of the box. The cord has still got the plastic around it. Inside this door here is where your keypad is for dialing. Right? And the receiver sits on the back. Robot phone. Let's see if there says anything on the box we want to look at. Touch reset. Redial, durable plastic, FCC approved. You can have either the tone or switchable, works with all phone systems. And it was a display box. And at the time it was $39.50 back in the day. I think I've got a couple of robot sensor labs, Radio Shack type things, Sensor Lab 20, and amongst some of the things that you can build with this, one is a Morse code oscillator. It's got a practice key that you can beep, and here's their smaller Sensor Robot 20 kit, and here's your key, and you wire everything up on the back. These are pretty cool for trying to learn how things work. See, all those little springs are used as a way to connect in, tie-in resistors, or tie-in photocells, or tie-in speakers, or headphones, or reed switches, whatever you're trying to do. They're pretty cool. I've got other ones of the Radio Shack electronic lab kits, like their radio and transmitter and all those other ones, but they weren't robot related, so I didn't put them out here in the hut. There's the box for that larger one. There's the box for the smaller one hiding back there behind the 8-man. And like I said, I know somewhere there's another telephone robot out here, but I think for right now that'll do it for the telephone robots.